Sunye always adheres to the concept of green environmental protection and provides customers with high-quality products. With more than 20 years of persistence, we have been recognized by many customers. Our own brand Deco has become a well-known brand in Southeast Asia countries.
Sunye Company Limited for the last 15 years.
More than 10 years.
At the same time, excellent management methods and development chains make every employee full of happiness.
The working atmosphere is very happy and relaxed.
Our company attaches great importance to learning and provides us with many learning opportunities.
With one-on-one master teaching, it makes it very easy for me to solve my work problems. Sunye looks forward to cooperating with you.